Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make the letters A to M in brush calligraphy. So I've uploaded a previous lesson and it's about the basic strokes of brush calligraphy. So make sure to check that out. I have linked it down in the description. So without any further ado, let's get started. So to make the letter A, you're going to need a thin stroke and an O stroke and a thick stroke. Thin stroke, O stroke and the thick stroke. And now to make the letter B, we are going to need a thin stroke and an ascender stroke and an O stroke. Thin stroke, ascender stroke and an O stroke. To make the letter C, you're going to need a thin stroke and half of an O stroke, and this is how you make C. Now to make the letter D, you're going to need a thin stroke, an O stroke and an ascender stroke. Thin stroke, O stroke and an ascender stroke. To make the letter E, you're going to need a thin stroke and you're going to need a stroke like this. In calligraphy, we call these mixed strokes because these are a mix of like two strokes. Thin stroke and E stroke. Now to make the letter F, you're going to need a thin stroke, an ascender stroke and an ascender stroke and an thin stroke again. Thin stroke, ascender stroke and an descender stroke and a thin stroke. Now to make the letter G, you're going to need a thin stroke, an O stroke and an descender stroke. Thin stroke, O stroke and descender stroke. Now to make the letter H, you're going to need an ascender stroke and an overturn stroke. Ascender stroke and overturn stroke. Now to make the letter I, you're going to need an thick stroke and an dot. Thick stroke and an dot. Now to make the letter J, you're going to need a slanted thin stroke and an descender stroke and an dot at the top. Thin stroke and descender stroke and a dot. Now to make the letter K, you're going to need a thin stroke, an ascender stroke and a small O stroke and an overturn stroke. Thin stroke, ascender stroke, O stroke and an overturn stroke. Now to make the letter L, you're going to need a thin stroke and an ascender stroke and a curve at the end. Thin stroke and ascender stroke. Now to make the letter M, you're going to need a thick stroke, and an overturn stroke and another overturn stroke. Thick stroke, overturn and overturn stroke again. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment and share. So this was the second lesson of brush calligraphy, and if you were not able to understand which strokes I was talking about, so make sure to check out the first lesson of brush calligraphy. I will link it down below in the description. Thank you so much.